kata awak KNK Channel. Hari ni adik ada konsert sekolah dia.
Adik konsert adik kena jadi apa, Dek?
Sorry ya, korang dah lama tak buat video.
Sebab apa lama tak buat video?
Sebab kita dah busy.
Busy, kali saya busy. Saya busy sekolah kan. Adik pun busy sekolah juga. So hari ni first time adik buat konsert.
Yeah.
Dekat atas stage. Excited. Macam mana adik dancing nanti? Macam mana? Kena smile tau, adik. Okay?
No.
Comellah dia jadi B. Siapa jadi B? Oh, excited dia. Siapa jadi B? Adik jadi B ke?
So kita baru So sekarang kita baru sampai di sekolah abang. Sekolah lain.
Bukan sekolah lah. Kita berada di Kompleks Tan Sri Jeffrey Chia, owner of Sunway Group. So kat sini lah nanti adik akan buat performance. Her first concert. Very excited.
Yes. Adik cakap
Comelnya Khadijah.
orang lain.
Adik, nampak friend adik? Kat depan tu. Nampak Khadijah. So cute. Teacher, okay? Bye, adik. Teacher bawa dia pergi sana. Pergi belakang tempat dia orang.
Would you recommend
parents baru
this
sampai,
to parents and students today? Why?
So parents baru sampai.
I would definitely recommend it to parents and especially students because
79 minus 66 plus 55. That is
68.
okay. Yes, the answer is 68. Aiden tahu. Ready? 353 times 8.
$2,834.
2824, is it? Okay, let me see the answer. Yes, 2824. Okay, next.
When I was on holiday, I went to Timbuktu. I wrestled a jaguar and boxed a kangaroo. As oil. I stay warm as beef. Warm tray boiling and the hottest day here. I like it just right, not too hot and not too cold, and I like right. Our solar family is the best.
Past 32 years. This is our 32nd year of operation. 32 years ago, when that was founded, the world was very
Ketika Malik bin Hisham
Terima kasih kerana sudi datang meraihkan hari yang istimewa ini. Saya dan kawan-kawan saya akan mempersembahkan nyanyian choir, tarian dan drama. Tema persembahan kami ialah Our Movie Adventure. Setiap cerita yang kami tonton mengajar kami nilai-nilai yang baik seperti judul Baik Hati, Berani, Sentiasa, Sayangkan Keluarga dan Kawan-kawan. Saya dan kawan-kawan saya telah berlatih bersungguh-sungguh untuk menyediakan persembahan ini. Kami ingin mendedikasikan persembahan ini kepada semua ibu-ibu, ayah-ayah kami. Kami sayang anda semua. Good morning to all mommies and daddies, grandmas and grandpas. My name is Rajanela Isabel binti Raja Shamir Ikram. A very, very warm welcome to our fantastic annual concert and graduation 2025. Hi, my name Thank you for coming to celebrate this very special day with us. So, get ready to clap, smile, and enjoy our show. Finally, please sit back, relax, and let the show begin. Thank you. Papa, Mama, 爷爷和奶奶们，大家早上好，我是周玉，欢迎大电影都能教我们一些美好的东西，比如善良、乐于助人和永远爱我们的家人和朋友。Selalu menemaniku dengan kisah pahit manis hidupku. Dewa Ilham, Indonesia, Tuhan Ilham, Indonesia, Indonesia, Ni kita tengok performance adik pula.
Bukan. Ya, ya, ya. Adik. 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 Adik.
Adik.
Okeylah adik.
Adik. Hello.
Apa adik?
Hello.
Where the watermelons grow,
Comel.
back to my home.
Adik senyum adik.
I did not know, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a cat wearing a hat down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? you ever see a dog walking a dog down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my life will stay. Did you ever see a bear combing his hair down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my life will stay. Did you ever see a llama wearing pajamas down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow? Back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my life will stay. Did you ever see a dragon pulling a wagon down by the bay? Down by the bay.
Good job, adik. Well done. Dia bermain-main dekat stage ni.
Yes, K-pop dancers work hard. We should practice and never give up too.
Saya ke dapat.
We,
Dah habis konser.
we,
Habis masa.
next,
Dah habis konser dah. Kan?
Jangan. Sekarang adik dah habis konser.
Dah habis dah.
Make me wanna flip the top, I'ma come make it hit the spot. Every little trip to drop, fist and pop. I don't do that shit. Just got something that is flipping out. It's time I need a second round and pour a lot. Don't just stop till my soda pop, fizzles out.
Habis show lagi. Astaghfirullahaladzim, makan apa Khadijah ni? Ya Allah. Adik dah bersali Ustazah tadi. Tak ada kinja macam ni, dek.
Hah?
Adik.
Biarlah dia nak main dengan kawan dia. Tak apa.
Member baru habis konser. Tengok dia buat apa. Tancap lipstick. Oh, ya Allah.
Ya, betul.
Khadijah. Cantik ke?
Ya, betul.
Cantik.
被淋湿的鞋晒干在书房，寄送。力量无限放大，一个一个梦飞出了天。
Lucky draw lah. Setakat ni lama tak lain lagi Adakah kita akan menang?
Next one.
Apa?
83.
Oh no, tak lain lagi no.
83.
Alah. Ada hak pula. Sweet lah korang ni. Sweet lah.
Ya, dia belum naik atas.
Ha. Ya go, adik. Jom. Jom balik. Khalis dah pening sebab tak makan breakfast. So kita kena cari makan sekarang. Apa perasaan awak? Adik awak buat performance tadi?
Gembira.
Alhamdulillah. Gembira. Are you proud of your sister? Sampai. Mau tidur?
Lagi makan.
Masa untuk makan.
Saya nak dengan baby. Caca.
Makan je lah dulu. Tengok video kemudian. Silakan. Mana peti? Kita makan sekandiak.
Okey. Saya tadi tengok Khadijah dekat stage tadi bila menari. Rasa macam sedih tapi tak sedih lah.
Sedih ke tak sedih?
Sedih tapi tak nangis.
Kenapa sedih?
Because I proud of my little sister.
Oh. Adik Khalish proud dengan your little sister because dia dapat buat performance ke?
Gembira kali first time kali tengok adik buat performance.
Performance.
Hmm.
So sweet of you, Khalish. So, siang tadi kita dah tengok adik punya show. Lepas tu kita pergi balik kampung sekejap. So sekarang masa untuk tidur.
Okey, itu saja untuk video kali ni. Jangan lupa like, subscribe and comment. Assalamualaikum.
Selamat bercuti sekolah.
Selamat bercuti sekolah. Selamat bercuti. Bye.